Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make these cards, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description box. Today, I'd like to share with you the February 2021 Sheetload of Cards sketch by Call Me Crafty Owl. So each month, as part of her Sheetload of Cards team, I get the template early, and I'm able to create some fun cards using that template to show you how versatile her design is. You can get your own free template by going to her YouTube channel, and the link is listed below. And then just make sure you're a subscriber, and then you can receive the link for this template. So today I created these 9 cards using some fun celebration products. Now, celebration this year goes from January to February 2021, and with a qualifying purchase, you can receive free product. So some of that free product that I'm using on my cards today includes the Flower and Field Designer Series paper. So here's just a sampling of that paper. You can see all those beautiful flower patterns with the black background. That black background is kind of unique to these patterns, and I love that one. That one's so pretty. And then on the other side, you do get some solid patterns, and so you can coordinate all those patterns together to create some really beautiful cards. And so I've used 3 of those sheets on my cards today. The other thing that I've used that is a celebration item is the Punch Party stamp set. Now this is a host stamp set, which means that you need to have a qualifying order of $300 to earn this Punch Party stamp set. Now that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to spend $300. So if you're interested, you can contact me and we can create a host code. And what that host code will do is allow your friends and family to also purchase using that host code. And then when those orders all together combine $300, then you're able to get this Punch Party stamp set for free. And so I've used this on my cards today. One of the fun things about this Punch Party stamp set is it does coordinate with some of Stampin' Up's punches. So some of the punches that it coordinates with include the double oval punch, and this is a new punch from the January through June mini catalog, excuse me. And you can see here the images that it would punch out. It also coordinates with the rectangular postage stamp punch, and you can see the images here that would punch out. And then one of my favorite punches would be these 2 heart punch pack. And so this is, you get both of these heart punches in this pack. You get the scallop and then the solid edged. And you can see that it would punch out this heart here. Now, Stampin' Up! Did have a little bit of an issue with this stamp, and it's a little large, and so it doesn't get a perfect image when you stamp it. But let me show you really quick what does happen. So when you stamp and punch it, you get a really tight little filigree around the edge. And I think that that turned out pretty cute. And so you can still use that punch with that stamp. So another thing that I like about this stamp set is that it has 9 different sayings. And so with my 9 cards, I actually used 1 of each of these sayings on those cards. And so I'm going to go ahead and share with you how I used those sayings. Now they're all used with the heart punch pack punches. And so you can see here that they all the sentiments fit within that heart shape. So let's go ahead and just take a quick minute and look at these cute cards. So this one says, "I'm sorry." This one says, "You make my heart happy. Hope you feel better really soon." And then these ones were made with the Flirty Flamingo card base. You'll probably notice here that these have that Bumblebee card base. I wanted that background paper to kind of go smoothly into the card base. This one says, sending you smiles for every moment of your special day. That one says, happy birthday for you. And then this one is the Just Jade background, which again blends in with that designer series paper. Heartfelt thanks for everything. Bravo! That's actually one of my favorite greetings that's in this stamp set. You just don't see this saying in a lot of stamp sets, and I have some family members that like to perform, and so I think this would be a perfect greeting and a card for them. And then this last one says, oh baby, you are already loved more than you know. And so I just really loved those sentiments in that fun punch party stamp set. So along with those products that we've talked about, I've also used a couple embellishments, and these are just some of my favorite embellishments. They include the Pearl Basic Jewels and the Whisper White Crinkled Seam Binding Ribbon. And this is just a really fun product. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know about some of the fun things you can do with both of those products. On these cards, I've just used them really simply as is, wrapped them around that middle piece, and then added a couple of those pearls around the greeting. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing my version of this month's Sheetload of Cards from Call Me Crafty out. Remember, you can visit her YouTube channel to get your own free template. The link for that is in the description box below. Make sure to check out what the other amazing designers on the team have created this month as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.